I ain't gonna keep playing with y'all. Not like I was before though. Back seat, how I like to ride. Two freaks, try and fit inside. Just left the club, now she wanna slide.
As requested, we've done a lot of Broncos, but here's a two-door Bronco. Smaller chassis. Let me show you. It's tiny, it's smaller, it's got a smaller trunk size, but it doesn't change anything. We still make a beautiful system for these. In the kick panels, again, our signature series, we always provide a new custom grill that allows all the mid-bass to flow through. We offer those on our website. We offer them everywhere right now. It's been one of the biggest and latest and greatest options for these Broncos. You want that mid-bass to come through, you want that bottom end to at least fill up a little bit of the cabin, you need that to come through instead of having the plastic block at all. Let me show you this. In the back, we have a smaller trunk, but that does not mean we need less bass. You always need more bass. More bass, well, you know what that equals?
Nope.
310s downfiring with a nice white Bronco plaque that lights up with all our addressable LEDs. You can do any mode, style, design, anything you would like. Ours, this setup, which we are actually offering a three-way active. We got the tweeter, mid-range, and 6.5 mid-bass. A full three-way active along with the rear pods that are powered with the Autosyn 4s as well. We have a full 8-channel Helix DSP amplifier mounted under the seat. Hidden nice and clean and tucked. Take a look at this. Now that's a nice spot for a bass knob. Look at that. Easy access from the driver's seat. Turn it up and down if you want, depending on the type of genres you're listening to. If you got heavy bass music, turn it down a little bit. If you've got, or up, I don't care. And if you've got, not enough bass, turn it up. Let me tell you guys something. Broncos sound like junk. That's just the way it is. I didn't design the car, but probably one of the worst audio systems on the market. But with a nice Helix setup, a three-way active, and a monoblock amp powering 310s, all integrated and tuned via me, the god of tuning here. We offer all of this on our website. We can have everything ready to go, pre-tuned, ready to ship, plug and play for your vehicles. Let me know, I'll make it happen. As requested, I'm going to finally play some music so you guys can hear it. And here we go.
Was before though. Back seat, how I like to ride. Two freaks, try and fit inside. Just left the club, now she wanna slide. Nigga keep calling, so she try and hide. Big chain, got her eyes wide. Big dope, nigga no lie. Presidential, monumental. She only fuck with you when the rent due. I'm trying to bag one when I spend.